Welcome students, welcome in your e-learning classes. Students, that today I will discuss the limit. First of all, limit of what? Limit of function. Limit of function. Okay. So we evaluate limit of function, and we have learned the various types of function, that is trigonometric function, algebraic function. So this function now, so limit and function, we will apply the limit on function. And if I want to define, then what is limit? You can say, sir, it is the fundamental concept of calculus in which we discuss the nature of function in the neighborhood of any points. Okay, we can say it, and also you can say the behavior of the function in the neighborhood of that given point. Now, for an example, that limit extends to 4, limit extends to 4 x square minus 16 by x minus 4. We have heard. First of all, just consider that x tends to 4. X tends to 4 means x is tending to 4. It doesn't mean that x equal to 4. Okay, x is very close to 4, but it does not mean that x equal to 4. Okay, so here just if we one thing, students, we have to remember that if I put here 4, so 4 minus 4 0, so something by 0, that is undefined, that cannot I define. Okay, so these forms are called 0 by 0, infinity by infinity. These forms are 1 by infinity. These forms are called indeterminate form. And in the limit chapter, our first target will be to avoid the indeterminate form, to avoid the denominator equal to 0. Okay, if denominator equal to 0, so that function does not exist. That's why our first target will be that the limit we will evaluate many functions in the another method, if any method, so that if I by putting directly x equal to 4 here, we get the indeterminate form, then we should avoid. Now, so x tends to 4, so we cannot put here x directly. Just limit x tends to 4, x square minus 16, that will be x minus 4 and x plus 4. Okay, and here also x minus 4. So remove. So x tends to 4, that is, if now you can put here x equal to 4, so 4 plus 4, that equal to 8. Okay, now the function is 8. Now I will discuss it in another way, just left hand limit and right hand limit. Okay, so student, just think about, so in shortly we have a limit x tends to 4 x square minus 16 by x minus 4. There, from there we got limit x tends to, that limit x tends to 4, that is x plus 4. Okay, now students, here is the 4, the number line 4, here is 3, here is 5. Now in the left hand side, just I am making a box x and fx. That function is fx. Now take 3.8, x equal to 3.8. What will be the value of fx? Value of fx will be, if you put here 3.8, that will be 3 plus 4, that is 7.8. Next 3.9, it will be 7.9. 3.99, it will be 7.99. Now one thing clear, you are approaching towards the 4. X is approaching 3.8, 3.9, 3.99, and also the value of fx, that value also extending to the 7.8, 7.9, 7.99, 7.99, so towards 8. So its limit value, so it is extending to 8. Now in the right hand side, okay, here it is 4.5. So that is x and fx. First of all, it is 4.5. Then what will be the value of? What will be the value of here 4? That is okay. Yes, 4.2, 4.5. That is 8.5. Okay. Now next 4.2, 8.2. 4 plus 4, 4.1, 8.1. 4.01, 8.01. Now one thing also it is clear, when x tending towards the 4, the value of fx also tending to the 8. Okay, so in the from the left hand side and right hand side, both the values of function are extending towards 8. So limit value of this function is 8, and here from the left hand side and right hand side both are equal, so that limit exists. I have discussed it in this way. Next day I will discuss the various process of limit to evaluate the limit value, how to evaluate the limit value of any function. There is so many 3 or 4 process, that is direct substitution, factorization method, rationalization. I will discuss in the next class. Okay students, thank you, bye.